Hi guys, welcome back. So it's just a quick one today. I was about to start emptying out the polytunnel so I can get the tomatoes planted up in here, when I couldn't help but notice loads of mushrooms growing. There's a couple more over there. No idea what type of mushroom they are, whether they're edible or not. So if anyone knows anything about mushrooms, let me know in the comments. What do you reckon? I'm going to leave them for now. And just moved the beetroot back. Noticed there's a couple in there as well. Sorry about the camera work, guys. A little unsteady. So yeah, if anyone knows anything about these, please let me know in the comments. Everything's looking a bit flat in here. The dog's been in here today. So yeah, if anyone knows anything, please let me know in the comments. And that's all for today, guys. Bye for now. Right, so back in the bigger polytunnel now, and I just thought I'd show you this. Potted up all my broccoli the other day. Came in here this morning. Gone. Every one of them. No signs of any slugs, no trails. No idea what it could be. And they've even had to go that one and that one in the back, and this one. So I need to show some more broccoli. That, guys, so that is it for this one. Bye for now. See, Jason, they're not fake.